and my hair's blowing around, and it's mine. They completed it in 3 days, you might say 3.5 days, at the Javits Center. Will be completed today. And when you look, so they're going up. I think we're going to be adding some more beds, which will be completed today. And we've opened up, whoops, there goes our box. And my hair's blowing around, and it's mine. The one thing you can't get away with, if it's not yours, you got a problem if you're president. And nearly 3,000 medical beds will become operational. The U.S. Navy ship Comfort also arrived today.